This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. Today we're going to cover how to level a Bosch dishwasher that's not quite level and how to get it secure inside the cabinet. So we're taking out these two screws in the front. Sometimes these are Phillips head, sometimes they're Torx 15. I think these were Phillips head for the kick panel. And we're going to just pull the panel out of the way. Sometimes there's like two panels together. And then we have a couple ways of adjusting it. We have these front feet that we can move up and down. And then there's a black screw here in the middle right here. And you use the standard head screwdriver, and when you turn that to the right, it makes the back feet go down, which pushes the dishwasher in the back up higher. And then if you turn it the other way, the back comes down. And these feet in the front, if I put my screwdriver in and push them to my left, that's bringing the feet further down away from the dishwasher, which raises the front of the dishwasher up. So depending on your floor, you may have to adjust these a little bit differently to make them fit correctly. So if they're loose, by turning them to your left, it'll push the dishwasher further up into the cabinet to hold it more securely. And if you have to take the dishwasher out, you move them all the way to your right, and that pushes them up into the dishwasher and lowers the front. So you can really easily adjust it perfectly by moving those feet either direction and then using the middle screw to move the back feet. The back feet will move symmetrically together, either down or up. By turning your screwdriver to the right on that middle screw, that's going to push the feet down. It's going to lift the back of the dishwasher up. And if you move it to the left or counterclockwise, that's going to bring the feet up into the dishwasher and lower the back. So your goal is to get it as level as you can because it'll actually operate better. If it's at a tilt, when you open the door, maybe the trays will come flying out and you don't want that. Plus the water won't be as level as you need it. So you want to just keep working with turning these front feet and the back feet until you get it really level, and also you want to pull the dishwasher in or out so that you can get it to be flush with the other cabinetry. This type of dishwasher is one that blends in. It's an incognito model, so you're trying to get it to be the same as the surrounding cabinets. Now this dishwasher had, in the kitchen they had a floor put in later, so now the floor is a little higher, and I'm using a screwdriver to kind of lift the dishwasher up so I can get it out of the cabinet. I've made the feet go all the way up into the dishwasher to give me the most room. I'm going to make sure this clip is put in correctly here on the right and left hand side. These are the same kind of clip. They go into these slots, and these help you to lock the dishwasher in place. Once you have these clips locked in, when you push the dishwasher back in, you can put Phillips head screws up through the clip into the cabinet to secure it. If you don't have these clips, you can still secure your dishwasher by just moving the feet down as far as possible, which pushes the top of the dishwasher securely into the cabinet, holding it in. So the best way is to get it nice and level and then use the clips to hold it in. But if you don't have them, you can still do it by just manipulating those feet all the way down so there's upward pressure into the bottom of the cabinet to hold your dishwasher in. So the Bosch has this really cool leveling mechanism, especially for those back feet, which you can't easily get to. So by turning that center screw, that black screw in the middle, it's really easy to do. So now that I have the dishwasher back in and I have that clip secured where I want it on both corners, I'm going to level it again. So I'm turning the feet now down so they're going away from the dishwasher, going down into the concrete, which lifts the dishwasher in the front. And when I turn the middle screw clockwise to my right, that's going to bring the feet down away from the dishwasher and raise the back of the dishwasher up. So just keep playing with it until you get everything where you want it. And then if you have those clips in place, you can also add the Phillips head screws to hold them into the cabinet. So I hope this has been helpful to you and you get your dishwasher nice and level. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance.